Hey guys, it's Jamie here again, my indicator, the binary destroyer. Today is the 26th of November. It's a Sunday, and like I like to do every week, is just round the week off, show you some results in our VIP group. If you haven't noticed, I've got a brand new webcam, and I'm looking to invest in a big camera, some lighting, because eventually, hopefully in the next few weeks, we'll be moving into our new office with our new wallpaper, and we'll have a couple of computers in there, and everybody will be able to come along and watch us trade and just get involved, really come along and just just get some one-on-one training. So hopefully that's soon. As you can see, it's a bit crazy at the minute in the VIP group. So I just wanted to show you some results in the VIP group and what sort of stuff we have planned. So if you flick over to the VIP group here, I'll just show you some results from the top. And this week has been really good for results. Actually, we've had a few new members that have been doing 100%, 90% ITMs, and it's been absolutely fantastic, really. There's a couple of new guys in there still struggling and still learning, but next week, our training for next week is going to be just the binary destroyer rules and things that beginners miss when they check the market. I mean, giving you an example, okay, a lot of guys, when they come to trading, okay, it's hard to choose what pairs to trade. Am I trading the right pairs? Looking at this here is not a very nice pair, because you see how it's choppy, it's going sideways. There's not a good currency pair to trade, and that's one thing that we're going to teach people next week in the destroyer group. What currency pairs to pick, the best times to trade, and how to get the best results out of the binary destroyer. So next week, okay, I'm going to be recording my live trading. I'm going to be making a video every single day and posting it on YouTube. Okay, so you'll be able to see exactly how I trade, from checking the news, from loading up my binary destroyer, loading up MT4, and just showing you like in depth how I trade it, okay, which is completely unique. We haven't done that before, but it just shows you guys how the binary destroyer works. And for the people that are trading the binary destroyer, they will see like what currency pairs I like to trade, etc. So it's really good. I'm going to hopefully try and do a video every single day for my YouTube channel, and you'll see just how I trade. I might do 2-3 trades on a Monday, I might do 1 trade on a Tuesday, and then on the Friday we can round up and say, look, okay, I've done 15 trades this week, 10 wins, 5 losses, but you'll be able to see every single day me taking them trades. So yeah, that's the plan for next week. So I'm just going to scroll down like usual from the top, and you can see some results. Love Reco with BD yesterday was doing it for FOREX. Today it's binary. You can see, wow, look at them wins. He's added his little touch with the destroyer there. You can see that nice £475 made. Talking about some signals. This is me talking about over the next couple of weeks I'll be doing a more in-depth show of my personal trading, me basically talking about doing some live trading from my YouTube channel, showing some results. First time with FOREX. This is my real account, because if I try to practice on a practice account, I would do this when less patience, or don't take this seriously. Went from £20 to £70 in just 4 days. Thank you, Mark, Jamie Palmer, John and Michael Vert. Absolutely fantastic, that is. Getting ready for another trading week. Thought I'd give my BD a little tweak. Hold on. Great, getting ready for another week. Thought I'd give my BD a little tweak. Thicker but sell zones, new background, colour, ready for another trading week. So everyone's excited for this week. What I just noticed here, this little review here. Hi Jamie, so here is my problem. I've been having awesome results this week since Monday. But the problem was demo because I don't have any cash to trade with. Just talking about saying that I know you will say I should wait and get some cash, but the bad thing now is I'm broke and getting basically a member Charlie asking for some support and help because he has no money. So we were talking about Ben's trading strategy in a week. Okay, that martingale strategy you see me talking about. Okay, look at it. I'm done for this month. All this made from $15. So he turned $15 into £1,700 from $15. Okay, absolutely fantastic. And you know what? He did it using that strategy that I showed you guys last week, the Ben strategy. That's his strategy there. You know, he literally just trades every single arrow. Okay, every single arrow with a martingale strategy. And he smashed, well, yeah, he turned €15 into 1,700 euros, which is absolutely fantastic. Some more results. Hey guys, today has been an amazing day. The last trade was an order. Big hug to you, John. 6-0 today. Thank you, Jamie Palmer. I mean, it's just been crazy this week. Missed these 4 trades while I was at school. Some stuff. Just got home, cranked up the binary destroyer, a mixture of 1 and 5 minute charts, being Friday, playing with demo. Just took trades with and against the trend, 6 out of 6 ITMs. No thought going into it, just following simple rules. Says it all really. I mean, it does say it all. Just simple trading. And people get so make trading so complicated. It just complicates everything else. Just keep trading simple. One strategy, one trading management, one money management, and you're making profits. Results are being collected. And fine. This guy is absolutely amazing. Look at this. On fire. This guy won Trader of the Week last week and he's still smashing it to this day. You can see these nice signals here. Win, 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 win. That's 4-0 back to back. Absolutely amazing. As we keep scrolling down. What a great day. 4-0 in 1.5 hours. If against the trend, I don't take it no matter what. Trend is my friend. 7-0 for me today with BD. Absolutely fantastic. Training Wednesday. I'll try and find you one more result. Another successful day. Here we go. Another successful day in the binary destroyer family. You can see an amazing result there. So yeah, my trader of the week, and I've just noticed this now, is going to be Gren here. This girl here, okay. Now, she hasn't posted any results this week, but the reason why I've given her trader of the week is because, I'll just read it to you. I'd like to express my heartful gratitude to this family. Just last week, I was ready to give up trading, count my losses, and today I have so much hope. Thank you, Jamie Palmer, for the vision you have to help others. A special thank you to Ronald for giving me the one-on-one sessions and transforming my trading. Pamela for commenting, taking her time to help and encourage me. Andrew Sanjin, thank you for all being such great people. Okay, and that just goes to show the level of support and help you get in the binary destroyer family. I remember her post. She said that she was giving up trading. She said that trading wasn't for her. She was counting her losses and she was walking away. And every single person commented on it and was like, no, you're not giving up. We're not letting you leave. and you can see we gave her the support and training, and she's going to be back. So for this week, for not giving up, she is trader of our week, so congratulations to her. So yeah, what we're going to be doing now every Sunday, okay, is you're going to be seeing me showing you the results in the VIP group, okay, and I'm just going to do a little breakdown of the market, okay, and how well the binary destroyer has performed this week, and how we look to analyze the market for next week. So my trading style is binary. That's how I like to trade, binary, okay. But you know, a lot of guys are starting to trade Forex now, okay. So what I like to do is just break it down, okay, and just each Sunday now I'm going to just do a little breakdown of the market, okay, so you can see which way the currency pairs are going to go, okay. So we're currently right now, okay, we're looking at Euro USD, okay. Now what I like about Euro USD, okay, is I can see right now a nice little support line. Now this is off the daily time frame, okay, the daily time frame, okay. I can see a nice little support area there. Can you see that? Okay, it's pretty simple stuff really, around the 122.760, okay, and we've had a rejection there, okay, and we've also got a little bit of support. We've got a little bit of support here, okay, a little bit of support. Let me just try, I'm trying to keep trading simple for you at the minute, okay. So I'm going to delete the trend dash because we're not checking the trend at the minute, we're checking for support, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze the market, okay, each week, okay, on the big major 4 currency pairs, okay. So you can see for next week, okay, Euro USD is at a support line. We know to take take put trades on Euro USD for that week, okay. Now I can see here, okay, a major support and resistance area here, okay, on the daily time frame, okay. It's rejected there, okay, before, and it's just rejected from that area there as well. I've actually had a really nice signal hour straight from, I mean, look at it, okay. We had massive rejections there and a signal arrow appeared, okay. So you could have took a trade there, and now we are entered that zone again, okay. Now one or two things is going to happen at this point here, okay. I think this currency pair is going to go bearish. I think it's going to go down here somewhere, okay. Reason being, okay, is because we've already had some major bounces off this area of support and resistance here, okay. So I would be looking, okay, I'll be leaving this currency pair at the minute and seeing what it does around this area, okay. Does it break above that area? Does it break to the upside? Because it could come up here and then we could have a bounce down here and then a bounce up there again, or it could be just going straight down, okay. So for me there, I'm going to leave that currency pair, okay. We don't know at the minute, okay. And that's really the sort of stuff I'm going to be talking about every Sunday now. So Mike Vert's going to be sitting beside me and we're going to have a breakdown of the charts, okay. If you see here, okay, this was taken on the 20, that signal arrow appeared there, okay, on on the 9th of September, okay, that signal arrow had appeared, right. So when you start breaking it down, okay, into the 4 hour, the 1 hour, okay, can you see, okay, all these sort of bearish moves here, okay. Look at the 4 hour, okay. If you took that, if you look at the daily, okay, see that signal arrow there, okay, so this major support area here, okay. Let me just draw a little box, okay, again, and we'll draw it just there. Hold on. Right, so there is our resistance area there, okay, and we've got a nice signal out appeared, yeah. Now what you do is you then break it down to the smaller time frames, okay, and you'd see where that, here we go, so this here, okay, why have I drawn the little box here? Forget that air, right? So this here is our support area, okay. Can you see that? There's our support area. You can see from the daily time frame, okay, it was in that area, okay. We had a nice signal out. When you look at the 1 hour chart, okay, we've actually got a textbook head and shoulders at this pattern. This is what I've just spotted now, is like a textbook trade. If we just go back to the naked trading, okay, look at this perfect head and shoulders, okay. Can you see a nice, there's our support line, you see that, okay, there's our shoulder, there's our head, there's our other shoulder, and then the price drops, and we actually had a retouch of that support there. Can you see that bounce there? And that was literally, if you zoom out, okay, that was straight off that monthly support. Okay, so when you look at it from the binary destroyer, how do you trade it? Okay, how do you trade that setup? Simple, you take trades, okay, when the price is in the buy and sell zone, like this here, okay, all these beautiful trades, okay. The RSI was overbought as well, and you could have gone even one of these candles, even that signal hour there, you know, you could have caught a nice amount of pips to the downside, okay. And when you look at it at the 4 hour and the 30-minute trades, okay, look at all these nice signal hours here. So next week I'm going to have Mike Vert beside me, and I'll give you a bit more in depth of how the market works and how we see the market for next week, okay. So I'm going to leave it there. If you have any questions, just drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.